if you have a problem of this kind when you're trying to start the car and it starts and everything, but then it dies, and then when you keep the gas pedal, it keeps going. Once you let go of the gas, it just chokes, but everything else seems working fine. And I'll show you what the problem is and how to fix it. So first, let's show you how it sounds. See, it won't even start. And then I'll give gas. That's when I'm holding gas. And it seems like it's working just fine. But once I let go of the gas, it just died. So what I want to do is, this is Dodge Ram. It has engine in here and access to it. You have to take this cover off. I'll show you in a minute how to take it off. Once you got those out, then you have 2 more screws right here. It's under the carpet. It's gonna be half. And you take this one out, and then one on this side. It's like covered right here, right there. You take that one out too. Also, there's number 3 right in here. Right there. I don't know if you can see it, it's right there. So you just kind of wiggle it around and take it off. And there's your engine. Voila. So to take this part off, you kind of have to go up, move the seats back and take this back and up, and then I'll go up, see.